Embedding your YouTube sales video on a blog post. Hey there, friends. You just uploaded your sales-oriented video to YouTube, where you were guaranteed a steady stream of views and clicks. And now it is time to expand that reach to other channels. There are a variety of channels where you can promote your video, and we'll start by showing you how to add it on a blog post. This will expose your video to web visitors that reach your blog content through search, and it is easy to do. Let's do this. Getting your video embed code. You have to start by getting the video embed code. This is a code that you can use to insert your video on a blog post page, and you can get it straight from your channel dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard first. Start on the YouTube homepage and click on the Profile menu button. Next, click on the YouTube Studio option in the menu. Once on the channel dashboard, click on the Videos tab on the left sidebar menu. Now locate the video that you are going to insert into the blog post and click on the Options icon. Now click on Get Shareable Link. Creating a blog post to insert your video onto your site. Alright folks, now it is time to create the blog post where you'll insert your video. This not only has the benefit of expanding your reach, it also helps you create a backlink that increases the ranking and relevance of the video. For this example, we are going to create a blog post for our WordPress website. If you are using a different content management system, you might have to take slightly different steps, but the basic implementation applies. If you're using WordPress like us, follow these steps. Start on your site's dashboard and move to the Post tab on the left sidebar menu. Now click on the Add New option. This will open the post editor, where you'll compose your new blog post. This should be a blog post optimized to drive traffic to your video, so people watch and convert. Okay, so you are going to start by composing the article title in the Add Title field. Make sure to add the main keyword or search term that you want to target, and an actionable phrase or hook. You can use the same title of your YouTube video here, minus the name of your business at the end. Now you are going to compose your blog post below. A blog post to embed your video should be a maximum of 500 words to simply summarize the points in your video. Close the post with a call to action, letting readers know that they can watch the rest of the content by playing the video below. Embedding your video. Now to open a space, click on the plus icon. Now scroll down the Blocks menu. Locate the Embeds tab and click on it. Next, click on the YouTube icon. Now you are going to paste the embed URL you got from your channel dashboard into the YouTube URL field. Then click on the Embed button. Awesome job! As you can see, the video is embedded at the bottom of the blog post. This is a great strategy to funnel website visitors to your videos because some of them will find the blog post by using the keywords you are targeting, but might simply end watching the video instead of reading the blog post. A little trick you can use to send a viewer from the blog post page to YouTube is to use the caption field to insert a CTA. Simply click on the Write a Caption field and then type Watch on YouTube. Next, highlight this text and click on the link icon. Now paste the embed URL into the Paste URL field and then click on Apply. Let's now optimize this post with tags and a featured image before you publish it. For this, click on the Document tab in the Editor menu on the right. Now click on the Tags tab and insert your keywords and search terms into the Tags field, just like you did on YouTube. Now click on the Featured Image tab. Click on Set Featured Image. Then click on the Upload Files tab, then on Select Files, and locate the image that you'll use as a feature image on your computer. Double-click on it, and then click on Set Featured Image. Publishing your post. Now that you are all set and done, click on the Publish button and confirm. And that's it. You can always repurpose your YouTube videos for your website this way, which will help you to create backlinks for your YouTube video and to add more content for your website.